Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio website for free using a free website builder. So I'll show you all the process step by step. At first I'll go for the ChatGPT to generate a professional prompt for my portfolio site. Here I have to mention that what I need, so I'm going to say that I need a professional multi-page portfolio site. Now you have to actually ask for a prompt, so it will actually generate a professional prompt for you. Now what you have to do, you have to go through this prompt, and if you want to change anything, you can actually mention here and then regenerate the prompt. That's it. Now here you can see we got here a prompt, so I'm going to actually copy the prompt from here. Now I need to go to that AI, and the AI is durable AI. So we have to say here durable AI. Go to the browser and search durable AI, and here you can see we have here durable.com. so we have to actually go there, durable.com, and here you may actually sign up. Now we'll actually go for the next, and just starting, let's say, and then next. Go for the next, start building. So here is our website. Here you can see. Now we'll go for the edit website. Here we go. Now we can actually go for the preview. Here you can see all the section actually working perfectly here, right? Okay, so we have a nice map also, and here we have some comments and see client review. So these are client review. Now you can actually edit it, and these are also responsive. I can see if I go for the mobile version also, yes, also responsive. All right, and now let's go for the desktop version, and now if I turn off preview, now I can actually edit this. So now if you want to change anything, you can actually change it here, you can see, and I can go for the publish to publish it. Now you can copy the link, and let's say I want to open it with an incognito window, paste it here, go. Here is the site. Here you can see this is a nice professional website for your personal business. That's it, guys. This is the YouTube link, so you can actually convert your traffic to the YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.